for today is Palm Harbor Homes Odessa. That's right, Palm Harbor Homes Odessa. And my name is Moises Contreras and I'm the general manager. I want to tell you a little bit about the Landrace 3, guys. When you come into this home, it is gorgeous. It's got beautiful white cabinets. It is so luxurious. It is so lighted up, and you'd be surprised. I'm about to light you up more than what you see in this home. So you need to come down to 6700 Andrews Highway in Odessa, Texas. And another thing you need to do is go to our website, www.odessa.palmharbor.com. These 42-inch cabinets, folks, look at these. 42-inch tall cabinets, 8.5-foot vaulted ceilings, beautiful cubbies that go over. You got so much space in this kitchen. You'd be amazed. Take a look at this island. It's got a beautiful vegetable sink, lots of cabinet space, outlets, beautiful cubbies, and most important, you got a lot of room for you and your family to enjoy. So you need to definitely take a look at this island. When you walk into this home, you're going to walk in and you're going to see a beautiful hand-laid stone fireplace. And it has a real stone mantle, wood burning. And you would never guess where I'd be sitting. I am sitting in the retreat of the master bedroom. That's right, the retreat of the master bedroom. Walking in, French atrium doors, and a beautiful retreat before you actually get to the master bedroom. Wow, and a double wide, 4-bedroom, 3 full bath. Just one of the things that you need to be excited about when you come and look at the Landrace 3. And a lot of people don't enjoy kitchens, but let me tell you, you'll always enjoy this kitchen with a beautiful stainless steel sink. And it's a chef sink. It's deep, it's solid, it's sturdy, and it's strong. And not just that, it's luxurious. And it complements a beautiful picture window for you to look out and bring a lot of lighting. And this kitchen never ends. You never get enough of it. It's luxurious, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. But most important, it's got a lot of wow factors. Beautiful tile backsplash all the way through to the top of the ceiling. Beautiful glass vessel vent hood with a stainless steel, and don't forget about this pantry door, barn door. Everybody loves it. I am standing in the master bedroom, and you can fit a California king bed in here with no problem. Walk-in closet, beautiful, beautiful home with the ceiling fan lighting, and I never mentioned to you the overhead ducts. That's right, this home has overhead ducts. You've seen the master retreat, you've seen the master bedroom, now you're going to look at the master bathroom. Beautiful tall bathroom cabinet doors, beautiful cubbies, tile backsplash, 72-inch soaker tub, gorgeous, and a tiled shower. You can't get enough when you walk into that huge entryway. How many homes can you find with a corner closet, deep closet, residential style home, big bedrooms, just like this one? You can. Step into the family room and receive beautiful columns with column lights, recessed. You take the control of your lighting in this beautiful home. When you come to Palm Harbor, Odessa, and you see this home, when you pass by and you walk into this home, this is the first thing you should be doing. Real hand-laid rock stone. And the question is, how easy is it to own a Palm Harbor home? It is super easy here at Odessa. We got a lot of experience. I've been dealing with the lenders for many years, have great relationships, and there's programs, first-time buyer program, VA program, home-only program. If you need land improvements added program, we have it for you. We have land home packages all put in one, so you have one payment. You have a zero down home only. There's so many programs. So you need to come down and find out how easy it is to own Palm Harbor homes. Thank you.